Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Optima door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Ensure your window is fully rolled down. This provides better access and prevents damage. Take a moment to locate all the screws and clips that secure the panel. Being prepared makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's start removing the fasteners. Begin by carefully prying off the small plastic cover situated behind the interior door handle. Next, unscrew any visible screws you find in the armrest and within the door pull recess. Once those are out, use your trim tool to gently release the plastic clips positioned around the entire edge of the door panel. Work slowly to avoid breaking them. With the clips and screws removed, it's time to detach the panel. Gently lift the entire door panel upwards. This action disengages it from the window channel. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors for the window switches and any interior lights. Finally, release the door handle cable mechanism from its attachment point on the panel. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires or components. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Then, align the top edge of the panel with the window channel and gently press the clips firmly back into their slots around the perimeter. Reinsert and tighten all screws and replace any covers. Always test your window and door lock functions before fully securing everything. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.